Welcome to the pre-market report of 24/5/2022. Today the center pivot of Nifty placed around 16,272. Top CPR is in 16,300. Bottom CPR is in 16,243. R1 placed in 16,358. R2 placed in 16,501. R3 placed in 16,587. S1 placed in 16,129 and S2 placed in 16,043, S3 placed in 15,900. In Bank Nifty, the center pivot placed around 38,396. Top CPR is in 38,477. Bottom CPR is in 38,315. R1 placed in 38,625. R2 placed in 39,017. R3 placed in 39,246. S1 placed in 38,005 and S2 placed in 37,776. S3 placed in 37,385. Let us move on to the global market. Yesterday, all the US market closes firmly in green, especially Dow Jones was up by 1.98% and US VIX also come down by 3%. It gives slight positivity to our market. Yesterday, all the European market also closes firmly in green. It is also giving slight positive to our market. Right now, most of the Asian market was trading in red except SCT and IDX composite. All the market was in red. It gives slight negative to our market. Right now, all the US futures and European futures was in negative. It is also gives slight negative to our market, especially Nasdaq 100 was down by 1.39%. It indicates more selling pressure in our IT stock. Nifty future trading around 16,199. Our previous day close was 16,214. It indicates market going to open in very flat condition or slight gap down, not more than 20 points, as well as SGS Nifty also indicating market going to open in very flat condition. Yesterday, the foreign institutional investor sold for 1,951 crores and domestic institutional investor bought for 1,445 crores. The overall institutional activity in sell side, it gives slight negative to our market. This is options and data in NSE website. Here we can see which option has highest open interest. Right now, 16,000 put option has highest open interest in put side. It has 1,49,841 contract in open condition, as well as in call side 16,500 call option has highest open interest. It has 1,08,537 contract in open condition. So 16,500 call option going to be act as a good resistance and 16,000 put option going to act as a good support. But even though the market closes negative yesterday, there was unwinding at 16,300 call option. Some of the option writers unwinded 26,312 contract in 16,300 call option. They believe market going to be close above 16,300 by this week, but I don't know the exact reason. Yesterday, US market was positive, European market was also positive. Right now, all the Asian market is in negative. US futures also in negative. European futures is also in negative. Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating flat opening or gap down not more than 20 points. FA is in sell side and DA is in buy side. As of now, option writers believe market going to be expired by this week 16,500 to 16,000. This is Nifty chart in trading view. I am always using 5 minutes time frame. I marked center pivot, top CPR, bottom CPR in white, as well as R1, R2, R3 in green. I marked S1, S2, S3 in red. After that, I marked the previous day low in dotted red, previous day high in dotted green. Right now, Nifty future and SGS Nifty indicating market going to open somewhere around 16,200. I hope market will trend towards down direction today. Whenever Nifty breaks S1 and previous day low with firm red candle, you can enter at this candle close. Keep the stop loss just above the candle. Book your profit at S2 or you can trail up to S3. I hope market will trend towards down direction. This is our final conclusion. So you can enter at this candle close. You can buy nearby put option or you can sell nearby call option. Keep the stop loss just above the candle or center pivot. Book your profit at S2 or you can trail up to S3. This is our final conclusion. But some option writers believe market going to be close 16,300 and above by this week. They know some good news about the market, that's why they believe market going to close above 16,300, but we didn't aware about the news, so be cautious. Something going to happen in the market. Some option writers know about that, that's why they unwinded that 16,300 call option. So be cautious. Market may move violently in up direction also.